In this video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Adfuhbazi. Not sure why it is called like that, but we will find out. Of course, my video is solely for the educational purposes. In the video, I will demonstrate to you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files, and I'll give you instructions on how to protect your files. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and all other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and some vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that something really bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files. It also drops this ransom note called How to Restore Your Adfuhbazi Files. Now, the ransomware briefly tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So as I said, at the lapse of some time, users realize that they are no longer able to open their files. And by the way, the computer may be really freezing because of this ransomware and its impact on the system. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack, and you may see that the ransomware appends this special extension to the file names Adfuhbazi. Removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files, unfortunately, are still damaged and encrypted. Then the ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom, but we strongly urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning itself might take some time. The scanning duration, of course, depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It helps you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data, but it does not decrypt files. File decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus because these antivirus programs did not encrypt the files in the first place. Nevertheless, you may find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files that got encrypted by this horrible ransomware type infection. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. And then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, but we recommend that you upgrade to premium license. This will help you to automatically clean your system from any other malware or ransomware remnants.